Welcome. This video will introduce you to the concept of back-of-the-envelope calculations. These are quick estimation techniques that are crucial for system design. At its core, back-of-the-envelope calculation involves rapid order-of-magnitude calculations. This means we're focusing on getting a rough estimate, rather than precise figures, to quickly understand the scale of our system requirements. Why should you use back-of-the-envelope calculations? There are two primary reasons. First, for quick decisions. It allows you to make rapid architectural choices without getting bogged down in detailed analysis. Second, it is used for early validation. It helps you validate the feasibility of a design before investing significant time and resources into a detailed implementation. To perform effective back-of-the-envelope calculations, you need to have a few key numbers memorized. These numbers act as a baseline for your estimations. For latency, remember that memory access is about 1 millisecond. For network considerations, a cross-continent round trip takes approximately 100 milliseconds. In terms of storage, 1 gigabyte can hold the text for approximately 1 million users. And lastly, for throughput, a single server can handle around 1,000 requests per second. When doing back-of-the-envelope calculations, powers of 10 are very useful. Knowing these powers can drastically simplify your estimations. 10 to the power of 3 is 1,000. 10 to the power of 6 is 1 million. 10 to the power of 9 is 1 billion. The golden tip to remember is to think in orders of magnitude. Round numbers to the nearest power of 10. Focus on the scale rather than precise values. There are 3 key steps to performing back-of-the-envelope calculations. First, define the problem scope. Make sure you understand exactly what you're trying to estimate. Second, make reasonable assumptions. Since you are estimating, you'll need to make educated guesses about certain parameters. Third, calculate step by step. Break down the problem into smaller, manageable parts and calculate each part individually. Let's walk through an example to illustrate how these calculations work. The problem is to estimate the storage needed for 100 million users posting 5 tweets per day. Here's a quick way to calculate it. First, the number of users is 100 million. The number of posts per day is 5 multiplied by 100 million, which equals 500 million. Assuming that the size of each text tweet is approximately 200 bytes, the total storage needed per day would be 500 million multiplied by 200 bytes, which equals 100 gigabytes. Here are a few common estimation patterns that you can apply to various system design problems. The first one is QPS, or queries per second estimation. It can be calculated as the product of daily active users and actions per user, divided by 86,400 seconds. The second pattern is about storage growth. Daily growth can be estimated by multiplying the number of users by the content per user, and then by the size of each content. Here are some key takeaways to remember about back-of-the-envelope calculations. In the early design phases, speed is more important than precision. Focus on the order of magnitude, not exact numbers. Practice with real-world scenarios regularly to improve your estimation skills. And always validate your assumptions with stakeholders to ensure that your estimations are reasonable. Master the art of quick estimation, and it will greatly benefit your system design process. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.